In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Reddit chat not working. If your Reddit chat isn't sending or receiving messages, we'll walk through a few quick checks that usually solve it. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Open the menu at the top right by clicking your profile icon, then choose Settings. In Settings, go to the Privacy tab. Look for the option labeled Who can send you chat requests. When the pop-up appears, you'll see three choices: Everyone, Accounts older than 30 days, and Nobody. Select either Everyone or Accounts older than 30 days, then click Done to save. Choosing Accounts older than 30 days helps filter out brand new accounts while still letting most people reach you. While you're still in Settings, it's a good idea to check your blocked accounts list. If the person you're trying to chat with is blocked, you won't receive their messages. Remove the block if needed, and give the page a moment to update. Changes to these settings take effect immediately. Next, sign out and back in. Click your profile icon again, select Log Out, wait for the page to fully refresh, then log back in. This resets your session and often clears minor glitches that affect chat. If you're on a desktop, try refreshing the page or switching to a different browser. Sometimes a browser-specific quirk or a stale session can interrupt the chat service. Testing in another browser helps you quickly confirm if the issue is tied to your current setup. Extensions can also get in the way. If you use ad blockers or privacy tools, temporarily disable them for reddit.com or turn them off and reload the page. These tools can block the scripts or connections Reddit uses to power real-time chat, so a quick test with them off is a useful troubleshooting step. Make sure your internet connection is stable. On mobile, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. A brief network hiccup can stop chats from updating, and swapping networks often reestablishes the connection cleanly. Finally, keep in mind that the person you're trying to reach may have disabled chat on their end. If they've turned it off or limited who can contact them, you won't be able to start a new chat with them even if your own settings are open. That's it. By confirming your chat privacy settings, checking your block list, refreshing your session, testing another browser, disabling extensions, and verifying your connection, you should have Reddit chat up and running again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your conversations.